coming from your experience in the digital health initiative segment, what are the key challenges in integrating AI into existing cancer care workflows, especially where there are fewer resources, like we're talking about the urban and the rural divide?
So I'll not limit my answer only to cancer care, because I think we need to have a very multi-sectoral approach. So India is a lovely country, but we cannot overlook the fact that there are a lot of disparities that exist between the urban, rural, and tribal communities. We also cannot overlook the fact that at one end we have advanced hospitals, AIIMS, like from the government point of view, but also great private sector hospitals. But at the same time, there is a massive disparity when you go and look at the primary healthcare centers or sub-centers or health and wellness centers at the grassroots. You should go visit once, and then you should come back to such talks where we are having all ambitious plans about AI. The problem is there is a lack of public infrastructure. So when I was in Nagaland, and Nagaland is like 93% tribal communities, and we wanted to, as doing a landscaping on digital health and AI, and people didn't even know what digital health is. They had just come out one step from the forest area, and they said, ma'am, let's forget digital health, can we get physical infrastructure first? Right? So these are basic realities which we cannot overlook. So while we are having ambitious plans and government is doing an amazing job, the problem is there's a lack of implementation where different organizations can come together and collaboratively work. So when we talk about challenges, I think one challenge is a lack of public infrastructure, the fundamental. Then there's a lack of digital infrastructure, and on that there comes an AI layer, right? Now AI is definitely a very powerful force, like he mentioned, to reach the last mile communities. And sometimes you don't really need a solid digital infrastructure at the rural healthcare settings, but we do need some aspects of it. Second, there is a massive workflow inefficiencies. So healthcare workers are exorbitantly burdened with the current scenario in terms of doctor-patient ratio, etc. So we have to really integrate the AI layers into the system in such a way that they can absorb it and sustain it moving forward. So we need to not burden the healthcare workforce even more, but reduce their burdens. And the last, what I would say, is developing fit-for-purpose infrastructure and developing certain data sets on which AI can be used. We are having a lot of data, and everybody says we've got a big data, great. But it's not structured data on which AI can be trained, on which AI systems can be really trained for, right? So I think these small nuances are fundamental, which needs to be addressed. So while we are having ambitious plans, we need to also focus on the implementation of these plans. Thank you.